This video is part of a series about DECT, a wireless technology that has been historically associated with cordless telephones. The series is intended to show how broadly and widely the technology is used today, and just why DECT plays an important role in the world of unified communications. Throughout the series, we use this graphic to provide an overview of the market segments where DECT plays a role. Today, we are looking at what is possibly the broadest area of expansion for DECT and many other smart technologies. And that is the Internet of Things and the closely associated industrial Internet of Things. The Oxford Languages Dictionary defines the Internet of Things, let's call it IoT for short, as the interconnection via the Internet of computing devices embedded in everyday objects, enabling them to send and receive data. Which means your fridge talking to your supermarket via your smartphone, your car talking to the service department at the dealer, or a robot talking to a pallet in a warehouse. Researchers at Gartner reported that by the end of 2020, 5.8 billion automotive and enterprise devices were on IoT, and they predicted that this would rise to 22 billion by 2025. Gartner also told us that utility IoT use increased by 17% in 2020 and that building automation grew by 42% in the same year. Make no mistake, this is a market sector that is growing exponentially. There are already many different technologies deployed for IoT, but all of them have challenges, such as crowded frequency bands, limited densities, high cost, high power consumption, limited coverage areas, or network operator dependency. Today, we are showing how DECT will play an important role in this market. But hold on, DECT is a cordless telephone technology, isn't it? Well, yes. For the last 30 years, it has been, but in the last 10 years, DECT has embraced the internet with full IP connectivity and has created a sister technology called ULE, that's ultra low energy, that is aimed squarely at smart home and industrial IoT applications. Going forward, DECT is able to build on its 30 years market experience and the enormous benefit of having its own space in the spectrum. This is absolutely vital to ensure quality of service, security, and reliability. Unlike other wireless technologies, DECT doesn't suffer interference problems and can cope with large volumes of traffic and with congested airwaves. So let's talk about what is one of the most significant developments so far for DECT. That's addressing the Internet of Things marketplace. To do this, there is a new branch of the family of DECT standards, and this is called NR+. NR+ applies similar design principles to the original DECT standard and the DECT ULE. The lower layer radio technology in NR+ and the original DECT standard are aligned with classic DECT to ensure efficient spectrum use and minimize interference. Meanwhile, work on DECT is continuing in order to make sure that the technology stays up to date and relevant. DECT NR+ is a new global non-cellular 5G technology designed in its initial revision for massive IoT networks, as well as professional audio markets. In future revisions, NR+ will evolve and be implemented across many different applications. Let's look at the benefits that NR+ delivers. A dedicated license-free frequency band, massive and dense deployments, private networking, no operator dependency, no frequency planning, no infrastructure. NR+ is self-organizing through mesh network topology. Lower cost, high reliability, and low latency. But this is no proprietary solution. We are delighted to be able to say that NR+ has been approved by the radio communication sector of the International Telecommunication Union, or ITU, as the first non-cellular 5G technology. NR+ meets the requirements of two of the cornerstones of IMT 2020. This is the set of requirements issued by ITU in 2015 for 5G networks, devices, and services. These requirements are ultra-reliable, low-latency communication and massive machine-type communication. Standardization is, of course, critical. No wireless connectivity technology has achieved mass deployment without being standardized. NR+ is in the final stages of standardization, and first commercial products will be available in 2022. These then are some of the many factors that make NR+ so suitable for IoT and industrial IoT. But where will we see NR+? Our traditional markets have not been forgotten, and the requirements for professional audio have also been included in the NR+ standard. Beyond this, potential use cases are very broad. NR Plus is targeted for local area wireless systems that can be deployed anywhere by anyone at any time. Looking to the future, we predict that NR Plus will connect millions of devices, even in the toughest, most demanding environments. NR Plus will deliver coverage anywhere with a free global dedicated spectrum at 1.9 GHz. Cellular-based IoT can't do this, but we can, at a fraction of the power consumption and cost of cellular. The IoT and industrial IoT future for DECT NR Plus is very bright. In the coming months, we will be delivering lots more information about this exciting new addition to the DECT family of standards. That's it for now, though. Thanks so much for watching. If you have a moment, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to learn more about NR Plus and to see the rest of this video series.